Many English learners hear the words around and round, but they are often unsure how to use them correctly. Do they mean nearby, beside, or in a circle? In this episode, we'll clearly understand how around and round are used in everyday English. Welcome back to our Prepositions and Position Word series. In the previous episode, we learned along, which follows the length of something. Today, we'll learn around or round, which describe position or movement surrounding something. Around or round means surrounding something or moving in a circular path. It focuses on going all the way around an object, not just beside it. For example, he is walking around the tree. This shows movement that goes all the way around the tree. Along follows length in one direction. Around follows a curved or circular path. This difference is very important to understand. When something surrounds another thing, we use around. There is a fence around the house. We also use this preposition for people. Everyone stood around the speaker, meaning they surrounded him. A common mistake is using along instead of around. When something surrounds an object, the correct word is around. For example, she wrapped a scarf around her neck. This shows the scarf goes all the way around. To remember this easily, think of a circle. If something surrounds or moves in a circular way, use around or round. Now that the meaning is clear, let's move into daily life sentence examples. As we go through them, notice how around always shows surrounding or circular movement. Let's start with a classroom example. The children sat around the teacher. This shows the teacher is surrounded. Now, let's look at a simple home scene. The cat slept around the pillow. This shows circular positioning. Let's move outdoors. They walked around the lake. This shows movement following the lake shape. Now consider travel. The road goes around the hill. The road curves to avoid the hill. Let's look at clothing. She wore a necklace around her neck. This shows full surrounding. Now imagine a city example. There's a wall around the city. The wall surrounds the city completely. Let's move to a social scene. They sat around the campfire. This shows people positioned in a circle. Now consider gifts. A ribbon is tied around the box. The ribbon goes all the way around. Let's look at movement. The dog ran around its owner. This shows circular motion. Finally, here's a common indoor example. Everyone stood around the table. This shows surrounding position. Let's recap. Around or round is used to describe surrounding position or circular movement. It is not about length, but about going all the way around. That's how we use the preposition around or round. It helps describe surrounding position and circular movement clearly. In the next episode, we'll learn past, which shows movement beyond a point. Keep watching and continue mastering English step by step.